guys, what's up? My name's Rox, and I'm filling in for Nelly. Nelly's not really feeling that good right now, and just over here chilling with her. She asked for me to go ahead and help her out, and why not? What the hell? I mean, if you guys watched our first review we did about Ray William Johnson, then you guys know what's up. I'm not really gonna be repeating myself, blah blah blah. Anyways, we just watched this crazy video about some Arizona racist ladies making some threats to Mexican people. Like, what the hell? Like, who do these biatches think they are? I guess they said that they have a law that just passed and saying that the Mexicans have to leave, and they're telling them, they're like, yeah, you gotta go ahead and get your burritos and get the F out. Like, oh my gosh. Like, honestly, me and Nelly didn't watch the whole thing. We couldn't stand these crazy ass whores. We just watched, like, probably the first minute, and that's it. So it's like, okay, I'm done. Let's, go ahead and dislike this crap, because this is rude. So, yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think they're crazy. They're crazy, and they should go to hell. So, I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on this? So, you go ahead and check out this video. I'm gonna put a link in my butt.